What's up everyone? Let's talk about NIO. Yes, that one Chinese electric vehicle maker is one of the hottest EV stock traded on US exchanges, but it doesn't sell any of its products in the United States. That could change sooner than investors might expect it. Widely said is what social media Reddit's driven speculation is stating that NIO could be closer to entering the United States market than expected. This has been one of the key catalysts generating buzz for NIO stock, as an entry to the United States would be a game changer. In this video, I will share with you what I think of this and provide you my top reasons why this is even possible to enter the US market before 2025. I will also provide you an update on NIO stock price predictions for the short term and mid-summer outlook. So stick around. Swadee Krap, that's hello in Thai. My name is Anthony and welcome to Quantum Finance. I want to say that I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Everything that I state here are of my own opinions. And if you find the video of value, please hit the like button and share the video to help us beat the YouTube algorithm. And while you're at it, turn on that notification bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. This way, you'll get up to date on all your favorite stocks, learn some new ones, and see exactly what I'm trading and investing. Please help us reach the 10K subscriber goal by hitting the sub button below. Now let's help you make some free moolahs with Webull. If you want to earn 2 free stocks, value up to $1,800 per share, all you have to do is click on the link below in the descriptions or in my comments. Set up an account and deposit $100. Webull will give you 2 free stocks. Just 2 weeks ago, one of our viewers received Google stock value up to $1,900 and another viewer received Facebook stock value of $200. In my opinion, Webull is a very good brokerage company in that I use it to trade in pre-markets and after hours. It is commission free, so you can trade as much as you like. But I like the fact that I can trade cryptocurrencies as well. And you all know I can't do that with TD Ameritrade account. So if you're interested in that, please make sure to check it out. With that out of the way, let's get right into it. A number of NIO fans have been posting pictures of NIO ES8 vehicle spotted in Silicon Valley, California, and stating that it's perfect for the US market on Reddit. It does appear to be looking bright for NIO to enter the US market, but it will be too soon to jump into this speculation. For one, NIO USA office is located in San Jose, California. It's about 7 to 8 miles from where I live. I've personally seen several NIO cars on the freeway in my area, so I think this rumor is overblown. Let's face it, NIO will be testing their vehicles in USA, collect data for their AI L4 autonomy software, etc. Investors are taking cue from CEO William Lee, where he has stated his plan to enter the European market later this year. However, US expansion has not been planned to take place until its successful entry into the European market. Despite this, investors have been flocking to NIO for growth. Now don't get me wrong, there are clues that NIO is planning to enter the USA market. Dutch bank analyst Edison Yu posted NIO's LinkedIn job posting related to business planning for the US market on his Twitter account. The posting is now closed, but Yu says it was looking for someone, quote, to formulate an action plan to enter the US market, unquote. I think it is still in the early phase of expansion into USA market. Note that Yu's financial model does not include any US sales for NIO up to 2025. Entering the USA market will be very difficult, timely, and costly. For one, there'll be some work required given the difficult relations between Beijing and Washington, D.C. However, with President Biden in charge, things will most likely to improve, and the fact that Biden administration is pro-green and specifically to EVs as well. Not to mention the regulations that NIO will face. 2. NIO will want to ensure it's successful in Europe before entering the USA market. It costs a lot of capital to build out its infrastructures in each of the target markets, ranging from staffing to support sales, services, and operations, build out its battery swapping stations and charging stations, etc. 3. NIO is capacity constrained. It is able to sell all the EVs it can produce just in China alone. It is doing just fine there, and is already ramping up its manufacturing to roughly 100,000 vehicles per year. NIO has planned to triple that this coming year. Therefore, it does not make logical sense to create more demands than NIO can supply by entering the USA market. 4. It will be a challenge and may take time for NIO to break into the USA market. There will be more EV players in the US market, and will put more pressures on the ICE or internal combustion engine companies to transition to electric sooner than later. General Motors has already stated it has planned to launch 30 EVs around the globe by 2025 and have invested $27 billion to make it happen. While Ford plans to spend $20 billion from now up to 2025 on its EV and autonomous vehicle development. Lastly, it'll take a while for a foreign automaker to build a US business from scratch. Historically, foreign-made cars can have a tremendous impact on the auto industry, but it took time and money. In the 70s, the big three autos, which comprised of GM, Ford, and Chrysler, had about 70 to 80% of the US car market. Today, that has dwindled down to 40%, while the Japanese automakers, which comprise of Toyota, Honda, and Nissan, accounts for about 33% of the car markets. It will be an interesting transition period on which players will dominate the US EV market. Right now, Tesla is king of the USA EV market, and with more EV players entering the market each day, it remains to be seen of the EV landscape. Let's look at the daily chart. NIO closed at $41.63. It was down $3.13 or 6.99%. This is on a light volume which is at 66% of normal trading volume. Note that it was down because of the overall market is also down due to treasury yield going up. Its MACD is way below the zero level. Its line did cross, but mild bullishness. Its RSI is below the center line and moving sideways. Its volume has been on the decline. It is trading way below its 50 DMA, suggesting bearishness or the trend is still downward. It did fall below the 10 DMA, which suggests that the price is moving lower. Because of this, I ran two predictive models with an outlook for the next 2 to 3 months. Scenario 1. If it dipped to the $39.48 support level, and if it maintains, NIO will rebound. It will trade sideways and consolidate before working its way back up. It will retest the 45.86 resistance level, which has become a stronger resistance as of late. If it breaks through, my price target is the $49 to $52 price level, as it will retest the 52.7 resistance level. With scenario 2, if it dips to $39.48 and the support level fails to hold, it will go down further to the $35 level. It will most likely to recover very quickly as it has done previously and retest the 39.8 support level, which is now a resistance level. It will most likely to trade sideways between the $40 to $45 level before moving up to the $49 to $52 price target level. Now from the big picture, if NIO can successfully challenge the 52.7 resistance level, I can see NIO going back to the 60 levels by midsummer of this year. If you like the technical analysis like this, especially with my entry and exit points along with the probability percentage, make sure to join our Quantum Finance Patreon page. Here's what some of our members are saying. Special thanks and shout out to Adam, Sawana, and Steve. Adam Brown stated, quote, "Great call. I've been making lots of moolah with this swing," quote. Suwana Mason Singh said, quote, "Thanks, I have learned a lot. I wish I would have joined earlier. It would have saved me thousands from making mistakes on investing," unquote. And lastly, Steve Berman stated, quote, "Anthony, this is ideal information, especially for a beginner like myself. Best channel on YouTube by far," unquote. So there you have it. If you find the video of value and you have not already done so, please like and share the video. Please also hit the sub button and the alert bell. Thank you, and let's go make lots of moolah.